Hi, welcome to Pernillaskreativa. I'm Pernilla. In this video I'm going to talk about blocking, what it is, why you want to do it and how to do it. So what is blocking? Well, blocking is a way to form your work so it gets the right shape and highlights the pattern more clearly. So taking the time to block your work, it's totally worth it because your work gonna look so much nicer when you have blocked it. So this technique you can use on both crocheting and knitting. But how do you block your work? Well, I'm going to show you two different ways that I use to block my works. For the two types of blocking I'm going to show you, you will need a blocking mat, or in my case I'm just using a play mat, and you will need pins. And the first type of blocking I'm going to show you is spray blocking. And for that you will need a spray bottle with water. With spray blocking you're first going to take your work and stretch it out and shape it to the form and size you want it to be and attach it with pins on your blocking mat. So I'm just gonna stretch my work out here and attach it. And when your work have the right size and shape, you just take your spray bottle and start spraying your work with water. And you're gonna spray it till it gets really damp. And then you're just gonna let it dry. The other way to block is to take your work and put it in a bowl of water, and we're gonna let it be in this bowl for at least 10 minutes so the water really soaks into the yarn. So when our work has been in the water for at least 10 minutes, we're gonna start to squeeze and press out the water from the work. Keep in mind that you should never twist your work, just squeezing and pressing, because twisting can misshape your work. So we're gonna squeeze and press till it stops dripping from it. Then we're gonna place our work on the blocking mat and start to shaping it to the form and size we want it to be. And yeah, we're gonna attach it with the pins. And then we just let it dry. Now when our pieces have dried, we can just start removing the pins, and then I'm gonna show you the difference between these blocked pieces with two pieces that I haven't blocked. So here you clearly can see the difference between our block pieces and the pieces that haven't been blocked. And yeah, as you see, the block pieces have a much nicer shape and the pattern are more highlighted. So it's so worth it to take your time to block your pieces because they're gonna look so much nicer and more professional made if you just block them. And these two pieces, the red ones, I have crocheted, and these two green ones I have knitted. So as you can see, you can use this technique on both crocheting and knitting. I hope this video was helpful, and if so, feel free to tell me in a comment, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos.